Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to allow phone access to apps on Android phone. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on apps. Once selected apps, hang on for this to load. And once the apps page loads, locate the apps where you want to allow phone access. So here, let's say you want to allow phone access on the Facebook application or on your Instagram app. Go ahead and open it. Once open Instagram or the application where you want to allow phone access, locate and click on permission. Then under permission, scroll down, then locate and click on phone. Tap allow and then hit the back button. This is going to allow the Instagram application to have access to your phone app or your Android. So you need to go back again. Repeat this on all other applications where you want to allow the phone access on your Android phone. So that's exactly how to allow phone access to apps on Android phone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.